Are you an unsigned rapper, singer, or musician that want to learn how to build fans and make money? If so, watch the short video to the end and I'll show you how. Now, for those who don't know me, I go by the name of Eric Stacks from My Rap Mentor. I specialize in teaching unsigned artists how to rap, build fans, and make money. Now, I know a lot of you think that you have to be on Drake, Post Malone,
Let's go.
or Lil Baby level to make any money in the rap game, but I'm here to tell you that you're wrong. All you really need is 1,000 hardcore fans to spend $10 a month, and that's $120K a year. No label, no manager, no shows. Now, I know a lot of you saying, Stacks, I don't have 1,000 hardcore fans, so I can't get in the rap game. Slow down, bucko. The Great Stack's gonna teach you how. Just keep watching the video. Now, for those who think they can't do it, and 1,000 is a lot, check this out. I'm gonna give you some basic numbers on the low end. Let's say if you only got 2,100 streams, which equal $5. Let's say if you come out with an online merch site and you charge, let's say even $5. You get 1,000 people to support that, 1,000 fans to support that every month, and that's $120K a year. No manager, no shows, no agents, no booking, no nothing. Then after you make that $120K a year, let's say you take even 10K of it, you invest in online marketing. Then you get millions and millions and millions of followers coming to your stuff every day, millions of fans, and who knows, with that type of exposure, you might can even get signed by a major and go mainstream. With these strategies in the program, it helped me live an amazing life. I met people in the industry, helped put food in my friends and family mouth, and let's be real, got a little biddies, got a little clout. We even helped some well-known underground artists, which names I can't say. We might put the pic on there, wink, wink, to let y'all know who we helped. But we helped a lot of artists that even you listen to or may not even know.
I ended up signing my new artist because of this dude name called Eric Stacks or something. I think he had some program called My Rap Mentor or something like that. Well, anyway, I guess my artist learned how to market and build a fan base, and a year later, they got my attention. So shout out to dude.
So now you say, yeah, Stacks, it helped you get millions of streams, popular everywhere you go in Vegas, 6 figures a year, expensive trips, fine dining, show performances, and so on. But what about me? Good question. So let me show you exactly what you're going to be getting. Now, once you join this program, I'm going to add you to all my Spotify playlists with thousands of active users for free, so you can start gaining streams even before I help you build your own fan base and your own income. Also, once you join this program, I'm going to be doing live artist showcases on all my social media platforms with hundreds of thousands of followers every month, and I'll add you to it for free to start gaining exposure to your social medias and your music. I'll even get you added on the radio playlist as well. You'll also personally be mentored by me and other music industry professionals. We'll show you how to get a manager, book shows, get in the music industry without partying with Diddy while taking some rock shots, and much, much more inside this program. On top of me basically just grabbing your hands and helping you get millions of streams, marketing to your YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and so on. Matter of fact, here are what some of the artists are saying about this program. Let me show you some testimony.
What's going on, y'all? I'm GSK and My Rap Mentor to help get my streams up.
Alright, so I just had a free consultation with the well-renowned mentor of rap, Eric Stacks. The experience was pleasant and rewarding. He took my doubt away and he gave me guided information. And he also gave me some marketing tips, alright, that would take my ideas to the next level and give me the results I'm hunting for. Appreciate you, Eric.
I want to thank My Rap Mentor for helping me get my streams up. He helped the songs that deserve to get more traction and more people looking at it, and just the support that it needed. Man, I wish they had more plays. I wish people would just listen to them more and just support it and help push it out there. And with my mentor group, I was able to have those streams be boosted up because the support and the help he has been able to show with the group and everybody joining. And it's support for support, not no just one person just doing one thing. Even if it's like difficult for you to get the streams to show them, it makes a way for you to be able to show that you have gotten your streams if you're streaming other people's, so you can be able to stay in the group and be able to support others whilst you're being supported, which is a great thing. And I'm just grateful for the streams that I've been able to get, and I like seeing how there's so many like dope people that have been added or dope songs. I'm like, oh, it's crazy, but definitely Rap Mentor changed a lot streaming wise with me like putting up new songs, helped build that up again. Couldn't think enough.
So, if you're tired of going year after year saying, this is gonna be my year, using the same strategy that don't work, not getting you no streams, not getting you no fans, not getting you heard, spending tons of money on recording, studio sessions, videographers to only get 100 views, even you don't even watch your own video, then click the link down below and we're gonna show you how to take your rap career from doubt to clout. Peace.